Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix location services not working on iPhone or iPad and iOS 16. So guys, first of all I can show you. So tap on privacy location. So you can see guys, my location services has been disabled and it's grayed out, so I can't enable turn on this. So you can see guys, touch is not working here because it's grayed out. So how can you fix this issue, like grayed out or not working or not enabling location services on the iPhone and iOS 16? So simply open the settings app on your iPhone. So after open settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time. So scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. So tap on it. So here you can see guys, you need to find here location services. So here is the location services, tap on here. So tap on allow changes. After doing allow changes, go back. First restart your settings, open, scroll down, tap on privacy, tap on location services, and then tap on enable. So you can see guys, now I can enable location services on my iPhone. The grayed out issue has been fixed on my iPhone. So here is a simple method for fixing this location services not working issue or grayed out issue. So simply follow my steps and fix this issue. So thanks for watching this guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.